The English mathematician Peter Barlow elaborated this device in 1822, using inventions made in early 19th century, including the invention of the voltaic pile, the first battery. It was a model of an electric motor. He united the electricity properties and magnetism to obtain continuous movement. In this diagram, the current flows through a metal wheel and comes to the mercury compartment below the wheel when the wheel is rotating. When the wheel turns and withdraws from the liquid, the circuit opens. A horseshoe-shaped magnet is under the wheel. It creates a field around the wheel. The Barlow wheel was one of the first machines to use the correlation between the electric and magnetic forces, which has been discovered by Hans Christian Ørsted 2 years before. The machine functions by the right-hand rule. It shows how electrical current flowing in a certain direction creates a circular magnetic field around it, interacting with the magnetic field of the horseshoe-shaped magnet to produce the force that moves the wheel. As you can see, wheels can be of various forms: a gear, a star, or a regular circle. Though the current stops when the tops of the sheets of a gear leaves the mercury, the wheel has a sufficient impetus to turn and plunge into the mercury again, thus restoring the current. Recently, the Barlow wheel became of interest again due to the appearance of powerful magnets and compact batteries. This facilitates the demonstration of this experiment. So let us repeat it. So let's see how we can now repeat the Barlow wheel experiment. Our engine is assembled on the basis of a third-hand stand on which a rotor is placed consisting of 2 magnets and a screw. If we chain voltage through the moving contact, the rotor starts to rotate due to a magnet field created on the one hand by the electricity in the circuit rotor stator, on the other hand by the own magnetic field of the magnets. As you see, it rotates, and quite fast. At that we need to apply voltage of about 3 volts and a current within 2 amperes. So this experiment can be repeated by anyone to discover that in contrast to Faraday and Barlow times, now this experiment is very easy to repeat.